When do we need to get an MRI of our spine? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anuj Bhide. I am a brain and spine surgeon practicing at Synapse Spine in Mumbai. So one of the most common questions that patients go through is, when do we need to get an MRI? When do we need to get an X-ray? When do we need to have some rest? When do we start the physiotherapy? To segregate, the most important point in diagnosing a spinal pathology is that no X-ray or no clinical examination can give you a definitive diagnosis of how extreme or how trivial your spinal problems are. An MRI is an effective tool which can ideally explain to us all the components that may be pressing on your spine or the nerves that arise from your spine. So, the most important reasons when we advise an MRI at the earliest are either the patient has a lingering spine pain or a lingering pain which is not going with any conservative management such as medicines or physiotherapy. The second reason where we advise an MRI is when the patient is having a pain which radiates along one leg or one arm. That indicates that certain nerve which arises from your spine and enters your limb is getting compressed somewhere. We need to know the extent of that compression. The third reason where we advise an MRI upfront is if there is any weakness in your leg or your hand. So we assess this weakness in our clinic by analyzing your leg strength or your grip strength and the reflexes in your limbs. That is why your doctor examines you before he advises an MRI. The fourth reason that we advise an MRI is that if a patient has a pain in the spine which is associated with any fever or any other medical history that may indicate that the pathology is extensive and needs imaging, such as if a patient is a cancer survivor or is a tuberculosis patient, or if the patient has local tenderness or inflammation at the site where the pain is there in the back. The fifth reason where we advise an MRI early is if the patient has some bladder function problems, he or she is having difficulty in passing urine, or if there is hesitancy, which means that the urine is not getting completely evacuated, or if the patient has any erectile dysfunction or any problems related to your bladder and urinary habits. So these are the indications where an MRI is essential and we need to go ahead with an MRI as early as possible.